I strike a match to light the stove every morning. I am striking a deal with a new client right now. I have just struck gold with this business idea. I have been striking for better pay for 2 weeks. I struck the ball cleanly in the match yesterday. I was striking the anvil when a spark burned my arm. I had struck a bargain before the shop closed. I had been striking the same drum beat for an hour before the parade. I will strike while the iron is hot tomorrow. I will be striking poses for the camera all afternoon. I will have struck the final chord by the end of the song. By June, I will have been striking targets at the range for a year.